Everybody is looking for solutions to climate change, but did you know our biggest ally is losing its power? In 2024, deforestation has brought the Amazon rainforest to a tipping point. The Amazon, often called the lungs of the Earth, is now absorbing 25% less carbon dioxide. This dramatic reduction accelerates global climate change, putting our planet at even greater risk. Why is this happening? Rampant deforestation and illegal logging are the main culprits. We're losing trees faster than they can regrow, and the consequences are dire. If the Amazon can't recover, we could see devastating impacts on global weather patterns, agriculture, and biodiversity. It's not just an environmental issue, it's a crisis that affects us all. We need to act now. Support reforestation projects, reduce your carbon footprint, and push for stronger environmental policies. The Amazon is calling for help. Will we answer? Share and subscribe to stay informed and make a difference.